Okay, good afternoon, guys. Today I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw from your Roqqu account to Raven and then possibly to your bank account. But first of all, you have to sell off your crypto. And these other guys downward, you have to sell them off for it to appear here in your main balance before you can withdraw it. So let me just take one example. Sell off TRX. Sell TRX worth 500 naira. Proceed with sale. You can see this thing here stating TRX, so accept. So as you can see, just added up. That's now 3,000 naira right here. That's 500 naira we sold. So next thing is just to withdraw. Tap on withdraw. First one, withdraw to wallet. For now, it's only Raven that they have merchants with, but Kuda, OP, and the rest may come up later this year. So you tap on Raven. Again, input your username. Okay, let me go to my Raven. Okay. Okay, this is the Raven, and what you now do is to tap on add money, then through bank transfer. So I'll bring up your details. You can see this is my account name, but this is not the main details we are looking for. This is the username we are looking for. So you click on this share details. Sorry, let me get the other way. Okay, you click on more down here and then your profile. All right, so this is my unique username here, C Prosper. So you just go back and then input it, enter amount, let's say move 2,500, and let's see my name there. So match peer, this is the person that's going to deposit the money to your Raven account. You can see the payout time limit. In the next 5 minutes it should enter. So complete withdrawal, then input your pin. Withdrawal queue successful. So that's all for withdrawal and from Roqqu to Raven. Also to buy, I just showed you guys how to sell. To buy, I'm just to buy this TRX back. Just click on it, click on buy. Same procedure for any other coin. Also, if you want to add more coins, use this last part here, add new wallet. Roqqu has about 52 to 59 coins, so anyone you want, just add it and buy it. So go back to TRX and buy TRX for 500 naira, or you use this other means, because the minimum you can see minimum you can buy with naira is 356 naira. In case you have just 200 naira and you still want to buy a particular coin, you click on this Nigerian sign and change it to the coin. You can see it's exact 12.60998 TRX, so I can put it. This is the exact one I want. But if I put I want for 500 naira now, 500, 12.699, you can see still the same thing. So accept, and then put your pin and then complete. Okay, so that's all. Just wait for it to reflect on Raven. It should take the next 2 minutes. Okay, as you can see, he has arrived. 5 minute max. Just refresh. All right. So now to send it to our bank, depending on the bank you want to use, send money, bank account, put the amount 2,500, put the account number, sorry, bank name. So let me not make the video not that long. So that's just how to do everything. Then you select the bank, you put the narration. You can put anything, but check for the one of Raven to Roqqu. It's always a specific narration, so you check the other video. So that's just how to remove your money from your Roqqu direct to your Raven.